Extra grip strips keep pad in place. Safety straps and contoured sides keep baby secure. Easy wipe surface for cleaning up messes. Fits most dressers and changing tables. Product measures 16 inches by 31 inches. Meets all safety regulations. Material: polyurethane foam latex free. Top reviews from the United States. Light, durable, easy to clean. This changing pad is incredibly light, but doesn't compromise for durability or comfortability. The pad is just soft enough to provide a comfortable place to change your baby, and the waterproof covering is incredibly easy to clean and sanitize. You can use a cover, but we just lay an old receiving blanket down so that it is easy to put in the wash if it gets soiled while changing. The rubber feet on the bottom are large and provide a little friction so that the pad doesn't move. However, I wish that the rubber was a bit softer to provide an even better grip on surfaces. It does include a strap for safety. However, we never use this as it would be cumbersome and time-consuming to do, so if we used it during every single change we never leave her side anyways. You can easily grab the changing pad to move it to another room if needed, as it is so light. Highly recommend this changing pad, especially considering the price point.